paying the taxes on this land for the past 25 years.
More.
And my daughter is going to do something with it.
And a piece on the other side. We've got the view also to put a house on the other side. So the hurricane blew the house down here in 1957. Setting. It's not that side. I think it's over here. So I'm going to go up a little. Follow.
Yeah.
I want to see where the sun is setting.
See me, here I come. Can't see where I run. No matter how far. Still here you are. I am woman. I am son. I can give birth to sheep. I can give birth to son. And I can be cool. Soft as a breeze. And I'll be a hurricane, ripping up trees. No matter how far, still here you are. You keep taking, you keep on taking. My head should be aching. My head should be aching. I'm born from the storm. I'll darken your sky. Flowers will bloom when I walk by, and I can be cool. Soft as a breeze. And I'll be a hurricane, ripping up trees. Ripping up, lifting up, tearing down trees. Ripping up, lifting up, tearing down trees. Once a man, twice a boy, once a boy, twice a man, and you keep taking, you keep taking, you keep taking, keep on taking. My head should be aching. You keep on taking. My head should be aching. I can steal. I'll take care of you until the day you die, and I can be cool, soft like a breeze. I'm a hurricane.